gagawin ka. If there is an action, there is a reaction. But what is important is you are guided by what you know is right. Alam naman natin ano tama, ano mali. Ang importante rito is that always choose the right.
Train new leaders. Continuously update the stories, evidences, documents. Walang kwenta ang ating sinusulong na adhikain kung wala itong kwenta.
Welcome CSO Conference 2024!
Presentation with a quote from Narendra Modi. He said, and I quote, that people's participation is the essence of good governance. Each LGU has their own story to tell. We're able to make it this far in partnership with our CSOs. That is our story from the City of Peace and Friendship, Tagbilaran. Daghan kayong salamat. Thank you for listening. God bless us all. To God be the glory.
I encourage all CSOs. First, we build trust and communicate with our government partners. No, we bring in, once we communicate with them and we build trust with them, we bring in the value of the CSOs in local governance.
Mga kasama, I hope you consider health as a priority concern. Let us continue to advocate for it, continue the momentum, and let us all work towards a better, healthier Philippines. Maraming salamat po.
Kumahul pa ng kamahulang aso, lakas ang palalakahol nila, dumiretso ka lang. Dahil di mo mapupunta ng pupuntahan mo. Kung lahat ng kumakahol matatakot ka, titigilan mo. Dahil pagpunta mo, pagtalikod mo, marami ka palang kasama. But then, my dear friends, mas higit na makakatulong kung nandyan ang civil society. At kayo po yan. Mabuhay kayong lahat, mabuhay ang civil society of the Philippines.
Sa puntong ito, kailangan ko rin sabihin na may mga bagay naman na ginagawa ang lahat. May mga efforts tulad ng Open Government Partnership na sinusulong ng parehong mga gobyerno at mga civil society globally para i-promote ang transparency at buksan pa ang mga institusyon para sa partisipasyon ng mga mamamayan.
contribute to the government is the support the social welfare.
Makakontribute din ng mga programa para sa, of course, sa mga kababayan din natin sa kung saan mang lugar tayo.
As we collaborate and even as we participate with the concerns of the LGUs and with the CSO can also contribute what's really in our hearts, what we really in our minds. It could be easier for us to do something great for our city and even our municipality.